must do the ritual and end this. Let's try this.
Maldefidi, Boli, Gistra.
You know what I find funny? It's when I see sinners judging sinners for sinning differently. Everyone's quick to point fingers at others, but they forget what they've done. And you haven't been a very good boy, have you? Did these people really need to die? Or was it that you wanted them to die? Were you so sure that the man at the police station shot the cops? All you saw was a gun. What about the mail carrier? And the sawmill foreman? Who made you judge, jury, and executioner? I believe I read somewhere, "Judge not, and ye shall not be judged."
What's going on? I'm back at the motel.
Oh no, no, no.
You weren't planning on leaving? Oh no. We're going to have a lot of fun.